I want to talk about gut health and the effects it has not only on our digestion and our gut health, but the effects it has on other systems in our bodies, including our immune system, our brain health, and our hormone levels, and our skin. Of course, when we start with gut health, we think of symptoms like acid reflux or heartburn, or bloating and gas and indigestion, constipation and diarrhea, abdominal pain or stomach pain, irritable bowel type symptoms, ulcers, food sensitivities, and allergies. Just looking at acid reflux, I have treated and helped hundreds of clients heal acid reflux, from mild to disabling acid reflux, where it's constant, they can't sleep, the effect on their energy levels is extreme. It's a very rewarding thing to help people with, but it's a very, very common issue that can range from mild to disabling. Any one of these gut issues can range from mild to disabling, often being triggered by hidden gut infections within our digestive system. If you have hidden gut infections that aren't addressed, they can get worse, of course, and they can lead to named things like SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth, yeast infections, candida infections, parasites, named things like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's, and lead to H. pylori infections and other systems. And what I want to talk about today is the domino effect our gut health has on other systems in our body. The first system that makes the most sense to start with is the immune system. 80% of our immune system comes from our gut. And it makes sense that if we have hidden gut infections, that would lead to immune system problems, even autoimmune system problems. A great book I like to reference and recommend, if you want, is called Eat Dirt by Dr. Axe. This book, he talks about why a condition called leaky gut can be the root cause of a lot of health problems, where the gut lining is deteriorating and it's allowing digestive matter to leak into our bloodstream. And when that happens, you can have toxic matter flowing through your entire body, which is how leaky gut can actually affect almost anything in our bodies, our brain included. So the brain health issues that we see most common with gut issues are anxiety and depression, cognitive decline, and it can lead to things like Alzheimer's and even other neurological issues like Parkinson's and MS. So gut health has a dramatic effect on our immune system, our brain health, and it also has a dramatic effect on our hormones. Hormones like cortisol, which in our adrenal gland health, which can put us more into a fight or flight state, neurological state, nervous system state, which also has a domino effect into anxiety and depression and stress. The other hormones highly affected are testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone. These sex hormones are highly affected by our gut, and out of hundreds of clients I work with where we test the gut health, the whole gut microbiome, and we test their sex hormones, whenever we see hidden gut infections, we will see hormone issues and hormone imbalance issues with these sex hormones. When we try to fix hormone issues without fixing the gut issues, we don't have as much success. We'll have some success, but not as much. But if we fix the gut issues first, we'll see a natural healing and balance happen to the sex hormones and cortisol. And then when we address hormone issues, we will see the results skyrocket because we've gotten rid of those hidden gut infections first. So highly recommend, if you have hormone issues, to check your gut health, because there's probably something in there that should be addressed and would help your hormones as well. The last thing would be our skin health. Gut health has a dramatic effect on our skin health, including symptoms like acne and eczema. The type of tissue like collagen that's in our gut is also in our skin. So those are the main gut symptoms, gut conditions, and ways that our gut health affects our overall health and these primary other systems in our body. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please reach out if you have any questions, and I'll see you at the next video.